In a world overflowing with high-tech solutions and pharmaceutical advancements, there's a quiet movement happening in homes everywhere. More and more people are rediscovering the simple, time-honored power of home remedies tucked away in our kitchen cabinets. These everyday ingredients, often overlooked, are being celebrated for their ability to soothe, heal, and nurture, just as they did for generations before us. The allure of these kitchen cabinet cures isn't just about nostalgia, it's about finding comfort and confidence in the familiar, and realizing that wellness can begin right at home, with what we already have on hand. These time-tested cures connect us to our ancestors, who relied on nature's wisdom to care for their bodies. Passed down through generations, these remedies are more than just recipes. They're stories, memories, and traditions that remind us of a time when people turned to the earth for healing. Whether it's a grandmother's honey and lemon tea for a sore throat or a parent's oatmeal bath for irritated skin, these rituals create a sense of continuity and belonging, linking us to our roots and to each other. There's a unique empowerment in creating something beneficial with familiar, accessible ingredients. Mixing up a soothing balm or a nourishing mask in your own kitchen is an act of self-care that feels both creative and intentional. It's about taking control of your health in a hands-on way, learning to trust your intuition, and enjoying the process as much as the results. Each homemade remedy is a small victory, a reminder that wellness doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In today's world, people are seeking more transparency and control over what they use on their bodies and in their homes. There's a growing desire to avoid harsh chemicals and synthetic additives, and to choose remedies that are gentle, natural, and easy to understand. By turning to kitchen cabinet cures, individuals can see exactly what goes into their treatments, fostering a sense of trust and reassurance that's often missing from commercial products. The kitchen transforms into a personal apothecary where simple ingredients like honey, oats, oils, and herbs become the building blocks of nourishing treatments. Each jar and bottle holds the potential for comfort and healing, whether it's a spoonful of honey to soothe a cough, or a blend of oils to moisturize the skin. The act of preparing these remedies is a mindful ritual, inviting us to slow down and appreciate the natural gifts around us. These practices offer a comforting anchor to the past and a grounded way of living in today's fast-paced world. Sharing a cup of herbal tea, preparing a remedy with loved ones, or simply taking a moment to care for yourself with natural ingredients can bring a sense of peace and connection. It's a gentle reminder that wellness is not just about the body, but also about nurturing the mind and spirit. Ultimately, turning to home remedies is about reclaiming our wellness journey and responding to our bodies with gentle, natural support. It's about listening to what we need, honoring our intuition, and embracing the healing power that's been within reach all along. These small acts of care add up, helping us feel more balanced, resilient, and in tune with ourselves. The enduring appeal of these cures lies in their simplicity, their rich history, and their ability to connect us to the natural world and to ourselves. In every jar, every herb, and every homemade remedy, there's a story of resilience, resourcefulness, and hope for a healthier, more mindful way of living. Two humble ingredients, castor oil and baking soda, are at the heart of many beloved home remedies. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, deeply hydrates and soothes the skin, supporting its natural barrier. Baking soda, a gentle exfoliant, sloughs away dead skin and balances pH, calming irritation. When combined, they form a thick paste that exfoliates and moisturizes, making them ideal for stubborn corns and calluses. The baking soda softens rough skin, while castor oil delivers restorative moisture and anti-inflammatory benefits. This synergy is why the mixture is so effective for tough skin issues. It's a thoughtful pairing, refined by generations seeking gentle, effective solutions. Castor oil heals and protects, baking soda refines and clears. Together, they offer a holistic, natural treatment for softer, healthier skin. Castor oil's therapeutic use dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was prized for beauty and healing. Its benefits spread across cultures, from Ayurveda in India to traditional Chinese medicine. Baking soda's roots lie in natron, used by Egyptians for cleansing and preservation. Modern baking soda became a household staple in the 19th century, valued for cleaning and personal care. The combination of castor oil and baking soda is a folk remedy passed down for generations, trusted for softening and healing rough skin. This tradition reflects a long history of using accessible, natural materials for self-care. The enduring popularity of this remedy speaks to its reliability and the collective wisdom behind it. The magic of castor oil and baking soda lies in their complementary actions, creating a synergy that's both simple and powerful. When these two natural ingredients are combined, they work together to address multiple skin concerns at once, making them a favorite in home remedies for generations. Castor oil, which is rich in ricinoleic acid, acts as a deeply nourishing moisturizer. It penetrates the skin's surface, locking in moisture and soothing irritation. This oil is known for its ability to create a protective barrier, shielding the skin from dryness and environmental stressors. It's also naturally anti-inflammatory, which helps calm redness and discomfort, making it ideal for sensitive or rough areas. Baking soda, on the other hand, brings gentle exfoliation to the mix. Its fine, gritty texture helps to slough away dead skin cells, revealing the softer, healthier skin underneath. By removing this outer layer, baking soda helps smooth out rough patches and softens calloused areas, making them easier to treat and maintain. Its natural alkalinity also plays a key role. Baking soda helps break down keratin, the tough protein that builds up in calluses and thickened skin. This makes it easier for the skin to shed those rough layers, speeding up the renewal process and leaving your skin feeling refreshed. When you mix castor oil and baking soda together, you create a unique paste that exfoliates and hydrates at the same time. This combination allows you to treat dry, rough skin without causing irritation or stripping away essential moisture. As you apply the paste, the baking soda gently lifts away rough tissue, while the castor oil immediately goes to work soothing and nourishing the new skin beneath. This means you're not just removing what's old, you're actively supporting the health of the skin that's revealed. This dual-action approach is what makes the remedy so effective. It's gentle enough for regular use, yet powerful enough to deliver visible results. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming softer, smoother, and more resilient. The paste stays in place, allowing both ingredients to work deeply and continuously. This gives your skin the time it needs to absorb the benefits, maximizing the treatment's effectiveness. With each use, you're not just removing rough skin, you're nurturing healthy, soft skin that looks and feels revitalized. It's a simple act of self-care that can make a big difference in your daily comfort and confidence. That's why this time-tested remedy remains a trusted solution for hands, feet, and more, offering a natural, effective way to care for your skin at home. If you're looking for a natural, affordable way to achieve softer, smoother skin, making your own castor oil and baking soda paste is a fantastic option. This simple remedy has been used for generations to help treat rough patches, corns, and calluses, and it's easy to prepare right in your own kitchen. Not only is it effective, but it's also gentle on your skin and free from harsh chemicals. To get started, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need cold-pressed castor oil, pure baking soda, a small bowl, a spoon for mixing, and a bandage or clean cloth to cover the treated area. Using high-quality, natural ingredients ensures the best results for your skin. Before you apply anything, make sure the area you want to treat is clean and dry. Wash your feet or hands thoroughly with warm water and a gentle soap, then pat them dry with a soft towel. This helps remove any dirt or oils that could prevent the paste from working effectively. Next, it's time to make your paste. In your bowl, combine 2 parts baking soda with 1 part castor oil. Stir the mixture well until it forms a thick, smooth paste. The baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, while the castor oil deeply moisturizes and softens the skin. If your paste seems too dry or crumbly, add a little more castor oil. If it's too runny, sprinkle in a bit more baking soda. The goal is to achieve a consistency that's easy to spread, but thick enough to stay in place on your skin. Once your paste is ready, apply a generous layer directly onto the corn, callus, or any rough patch you want to treat. Don't be afraid to use enough paste to fully cover the area. This will help the ingredients work their magic overnight. Cover the treated area with a bandage or a clean cloth to keep the paste in place. For best results, leave it on overnight while you sleep. This gives the castor oil plenty of time to penetrate and soften the tough skin. In the morning, gently remove the covering and rinse the area with warm water. You'll likely notice that the skin already feels softer and more hydrated. After rinsing, use a pumice stone or a foot file to gently slough away any softened, dead skin. Be careful not to scrub too hard. Gentle circular motions are best to avoid irritation or damage. Once you've finished exfoliating, rinse and dry the area again. Then apply a small amount of castor oil or your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin feeling smooth. For best results, repeat this treatment daily until you see a noticeable improvement. Consistency is key. Over time, you'll find that your skin becomes softer, healthier, and much more comfortable. With just a few minutes each day, this simple, natural routine can truly transform rough, dry skin into soft, healthy, and beautiful skin you'll be proud to show off. The castor oil and baking soda paste quickly softens hardened skin, making corns and calluses easier to remove. Baking soda breaks down tough keratin while castor oil deeply moisturizes and nourishes. The thick oil locks in hydration, healing dry, cracked areas and improving skin's resilience. Regular use can transform rough spots into supple, smooth skin. The remedy also soothes irritation thanks to castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties and baking soda's calming effect. It's simple, affordable, and accessible, empowering you to care for your skin naturally. With minimal fuss, you can achieve real, satisfying results at home. Even natural remedies require caution. Always perform a patch test. Apply a small amount to your wrist or elbow and wait 24 hours for any reaction. Only use the paste on intact, unbroken skin. Avoid open cuts, sores, or blisters. If you have diabetes, poor circulation, or neuropathy, consult your doctor before trying this remedy. Don't overuse. Baking soda's alkalinity can disrupt skin's pH if used too often. Use as a targeted spot treatment, not all over your body. If you notice pain, redness, swelling, or signs of infection, stop immediately and seek medical advice. Responsible self-care means knowing when to use home remedies and when to seek expert help. You may wonder why doctors rarely mention remedies like castor oil and baking soda. Modern medicine relies on rigorous clinical trials, which are rarely conducted for simple, unpatentable ingredients. Lack of formal research doesn't mean a remedy is ineffective, just that it's supported by tradition and anecdotal evidence. Doctors must recommend treatments backed by scientific consensus and regulatory approval. They prioritize safety, especially for patients with underlying health conditions. Traditional remedies offer gentle care for minor issues, while modern medicine addresses serious conditions. There's no conflict, just different roles. Embrace both. Use folk wisdom for simple self-care and trust your doctor for complex health needs. This balanced approach supports your overall well-being. Embracing natural solutions like castor oil and baking soda connects you to your body and a legacy of wisdom. These remedies remind us that effective care can be simple and accessible. Always use mindfulness patch test, apply only to intact skin, and know when to seek medical advice. True wellness comes from gentle, supportive practices over time. Balance nature's gifts with modern medicine's advances. Caring for your skin is an act of self-respect and love. With knowledge and care, you can achieve the healthy, radiant skin you deserve.